Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna or Queen D. Today we are doing this month's Birthstone palette from BH Cosmetics. Sorry if that was blinding. I'm really excited to show you guys this palette and swatch these for you. This is a little look I created today, so I will be showing you guys the tutorial as well. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Alrighty, and here is the Diamond Birthstone palette for April. This is absolutely beautiful. Look how shimmery these shades are. Definitely reminds me of diamonds for sure. So let's go ahead and swatch them. So I already went ahead and primed my eyes with my MAC 24-Hour Prep and Prime. So we're going to go ahead and jump into neutral right here. And we are going to highlight the brow bone and a little bit on this outside of my eye. I'm going to take a large fluffy brush and just lightly dust away any excess, and also just blending this out. And with this all over eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into Lover here, which is this pink shade, and I'm going to put this all over my lid as a nice little flush of color. Alright, so now that I've got that kind of like packed in all the way, all the way over, all the way on my eyelid, I'm going to lightly take this blending brush and just lightly dust through it, just to blend out any excess, and just blend the two shades together as well. So next I'm going to go into Diamond here, and I'm going to put this on the center of my lid and see how I like that. And I didn't use any glitter glue because I wanted to see how this worked on its own first, and if I wanted to amplify it or not. I kind of just like it how it is, just kind of as like a topper. And then I'm just going to dip back into it one more time and more focus it now on the center of my lid. It's like a nice like pop to the eyes. So next I'm going to take like an angle brush and I'm going to go into Fearless here and kind of do a little wing liner here. And I'm first just going in and making the line so that way I know it's down and I'm not going to like mess it up, hopefully. Okay, so now that we've got those on, we're going to do a little flick. So I'm not going to dip back in quite yet. I'm just going to use whatever's left on here. And I'm going to try and look straight into this mirror in front of me. And kind of close my eye and just lightly flick up like that. And now I'm going to kind of connect the two. And again, I have yet to dip back into the Fearless shade. I'm still just kind of using whatever's left on here. And then what I can do is take this eyeshadow brush that I went into the neutral with and just lightly dust along that edge to kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and flick the other side. Now this is my hard eye. Much more of a mess on this side for sure. And I'm going to connect and just lightly flick. And I'm just tapping this right here and a little swiping just to really pat that liner in there. Well, liner, eyeshadow in there. I'm gonna lightly take this first. This, I don't know why I can't remember which one. You're an eyeshadow brush, but the one I use the neutral for. And just to lightly kind of flick away on that top side where it just got a little patchy. This is my more creasier eye, so I knew this was like bound to happen. At least I did one right. Can't all be winners. I'm just gonna go and repack. I think this looks really cute. I'm going to drag a little bit of this down under my eye through here on both, but I'm also going to put the pink shade down here as well. So then I'm going to take a little bit of the Lover shade right here, put this underneath my eye. Now I'm focusing it more over here than I am this way. And now I'm going to lightly go more out into that darker shade, the Fearless, and blend. And that seems to be like smoking out where I put it on my under eye. I'm gonna put a little bit of the diamond on here and just put it on my brow bone. Just right up there and on the inner corner as well. And a little bit on this brow bone. And then I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and just blend and kind of dust away any excess or extra. Alrighty, so I really like the way that this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera and I will be right back. Alrighty, I am back and this is the completed look. I'll let you guys take a closer look right now. Alrighty, so all in all, this palette is really nice as well. I really have no complaints on any of these eyeshadow palettes so far. This one was really nice and honestly quite neutral. But this Fearless right here has like these little purpley blue glitters in them, and you can kind of see it on my eyeliner up close, but not too much. I didn't give this bling a shot yet, but I'm going to, because I mean the way it went on as a swatch is really nice. So again, I'm really excited to, you know, try out next month's palette. I'm really liking these so far. I believe next month for May is going to be Emerald. So ooh, nice, lots of greens. I love greens. So alrighty, y'all, this completes today's video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.